need to go live. Okay, what I said, Attorney Fillmore, was I did not get a copy of the plea offers today, so can you recite the plea offer into the record?
Yes, Your Honor. So the offer was for Mr. Scott that if he were to plead guilty to SP 131-35302, that would be amended to open container on the passenger side, and also would be placed under a 3-month delayed sentence, and count 1 would be dismissed.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Scott, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Mr. Scott, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fillmore today in private about your matters before the court and your accompanying rights?
Yes.
And did you hear the plea offer that Attorney Fillmore just placed on the record?
Yes.
Do you understand the offer?
Yes.
My understanding that you want to take advantage of the plea offer and to a guilty plea today, is that correct?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything besides the plea offer placed on the record to get you to enter into a guilty plea today?
No.
Excuse me. Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury, and that by entering into this guilty plea today, you are waiving that right?
Yes.
Knowing and understanding that you're waiving your right to a jury trial or a trial by judge, do you wish to continue and enter into a guilty plea today?
Yes.
Excuse me, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I want to direct your attention to the date of February 23rd, 2022 at approximately 12:58 in the morning in the area of Verner Highway, Junction Street in the city of Detroit. Mr. Scott, on the date and time and in the location indicated, were you driving a Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have open alcohol in that vehicle?
Yes.
Is the defense satisfied?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied. The court is going to accept the guilty plea to the amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Attorney Fillmore, do you stipulate the probable cause?
So stipulated.
Thank you. The court will dismiss count 1, the no insurance misdemeanor count, in accordance with the plea agreement. Mr. Scott, the fine for the open alcohol in a motor vehicle is $200. How much time do you need to pay that?
About a week.
A week?
Yes.
Okay, we are at, yes, Your Honor. You know what, I'm just gonna give you until, I'll give you until January 6th to pay that, January 6th, 2023. If you pay it next week, that's fine, but definitely make sure it's paid by January 6th, 2023.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
$100 fine. You can pay that by coming down to the 36th District Court and seeing our cashiers. You can pay online at 36th District Court's website. Can go to the different DivDat kiosks that are located in our community. I know there's one at the Northwest Activity Center. I know there's one at the City County Building on Woodward and Jefferson. And I'm told that they are also located in different CVS's. And you can also download the DivDat app and pay that way. Just make sure you pay that $200 fine by January 6th, 2020. Any questions?
No.
Okay, if anything further from you, Attorney Fillmore?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. That concludes this matter. Mr. Scott, you have a good day.
You too.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Attorney Fillmore, may I have your P number?
80581.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I didn't hear you. Oh, thank you so much. I think I need some.
I can leave.
Okay, Ms. Stevens, your case is next.
Okay, I'm here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is ticket number P1313565. People of the City of Detroit versus Jaquetta Justina Stevens. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. It's on the back. It is on the back.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Stevens. Ma'am, would you please say your name again?
Yes, my name is Jaquetta Justina Stevens.
And
Okay.
Your Honor, Ms. Stevens would like to take it.
I'm sorry, there's one other ticket I need to call. Ticket number P1313768, count 1, driving wrong way on a one-way street. Thank you.
And good morning again, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Stevens. Your Honor, Ms. Stevens would like to take advantage of the people's offer this morning, and that would be pleading responsible to P1313768, count 1, and the remaining 3 counts would be dismissed.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Stevens, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fillmore today in private about your case and your rights?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
And did you hear the plea offer that Attorney Fillmore just placed on the record?
Yes, I did.
Do you understand that plea offer?
I can't hear you.
Do you understand the plea offer?
Yes, I did. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you want to take advantage of that plea offer and plead responsible
Yes.
today to driving
Yes.
wrong way on a one-way street?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Attorney Fillmore, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket to establish a factual basis?
So stipulated.
Thank you. The court is going to accept the plea of responsible to count 1 of ticket number P1313768, which is driving the wrong way on a one-way street. Attorney Fillmore, do you stipulate to probable cause?
So stipulated.
Thank you. The court is dismissing ticket number P1313565 in its entirety. That contains counts 1, 2, and 3, improper plates, no insurance misdemeanor, and driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. The fine for driving the wrong way on a one-way street is $130, Ms. Stevens, and that's to be paid within 2 weeks. That would take us to December 30th. Is the court open on December 30th? No. The court is not open on December 30th, so I'm gonna give you until January 6th, 2023 to pay that $130 fine.
Okay. I can go down to 36th District at any time and pay it, ma'am.
Yes, you should wait until tomorrow, well, maybe Monday, to give the clerk time to put it in the system. But yes, you can come down to 36th District Court and pay it. You can pay it online at 36th District Court's website. You can pay at the DivDat kiosk. that are located at, I know there's one at Northwest Activity Center, there's one at the Coleman A. Young Municipal Center, and they have them in different CVSs throughout the city. And you can also download the DivDat app and pay that way.
You said the name of it is what if I download it?
DivDat is D-I-V as in Victor, D-I-V-D-A-T.
Uh-huh. You say that again. Excuse me. I heard D-I-V.
D-A-T.
E-A-T. Okay.
D-A-T. Dog apple.
You say C-A-T?
D as in dog.
Oh, okay. D-I-V-D-A-T.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay?
And I will put that ticket number on there when I pay it, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Any more questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. You have a good day.
And you have a happy day too and a Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Same to you.
All right. Bye.
Have a good one.
You too.
That concludes this matter. Good morning, Attorney Cole. How are you?
I muted her.
You're muted, Attorney Cole.
Thank you. I'm doing fine. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I was trying to see if Officer Jeremy Woods has checked in.
Let me see. I don't see an Officer Woods. I see an Officer Robinson. That's it for now.
Okay.
Is he
Thank you.
scheduled for trial today?
Yes, I had a SAAD Jafir Saad.
Okay, Mr. Saad, I think I did see him. So you're not ready to proceed on that?
If
Oh.
Officer Woods has not checked in, no.
Okay, thank you for letting me know. I'm gonna call that, soon. So is that the only other matter you have here?
That's the only one I had written down for today.
Okay,
And I think I have another one, Your Honor, that there's no officer as well.
okay, you can let me know which one that is too.
Would you like me to bring them out? That's Mr. Spivey.
Yes, you can bring them out. Do you know the name of the officer?
The last name is Acevedo Bowl.
Okay,
Let me bring those people out.
Oh, you forward, Your Honor, he has a file, I gave you an ROA. That side, I just gave you.
Excuse me.
That ROA you can disregard.
oh, okay.
Spivey, I didn't give you Spivey.
Spivey, you said.
That was a mistake.
I didn't hear.
That was a mistake.
Think so, but it's scheduled for trial and so on. They could have been, but I'll check. Nope, no. Mr. Side, good morning to you. I am about to call
Good morning, Your Honor.
If you're driving, I need you to pull over.
Oh, I'm actually parked.
Okay, thank you. This is the people of the city of Detroit versus Jafar Sadi Saad, ticket E1334652. Count 1, illegal dumping. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have appearances for?
May it please the court, Paulo Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Saad. Sir, would you please say your name?
Yes, Jay Fasad.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that people are not ready to proceed today. Today is the date and time set for trial, and the complaining witness has not appeared. I move to dismiss.
Thank you. The court will reflect that this matter was scheduled for trial at 8:30 a.m. It is now 9:32 a.m. The complaining witness is Officer Jay Woods. Officer Woods is not present in our Zoom court session today, nor has Officer Woods contacted the court clerk to let us know of his earlier whereabouts. Therefore, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Side, that means the matter is dismissed, but it is without prejudice, which means that it can't be issued again. You understand that?
Pardon me, it was so hard to hear, Your Honor. Say that again, please.
You know what's up with my audio today? I said that this matter is dismissed without prejudice. So your matter is being dismissed today, but because it's without prejudice, it means that if the people want to issue this ticket again, they can.
Oh,
Okay.
right. Makes
All
sense.
right. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Thank
That
you.
concludes this matter. Thank you, Attorney Nicole.
Sure, certainly.
Your Honor, let me know when you want me to check that. Okay.
Everyone in the session, please, just have a little patience. My clerk needs to check in the people who are just now, attending. So, I'll call your matters. If you're here and your attorney is ready to call the case, I'll call it as soon as, Madam Clerk checks in the new participant.
All right. Good morning. I have last digits is 1787 on the phone. What's your name?
My name is Laval Smith.
Okay, wait. Everyone else, if you could just please don't speak until I call on you so I can check you in one by one. All
Okay,
right, Lavelle Smith, just 1 second. I'm working on you.
okay. Let me grab my chickies.
Okay, I have you checked in. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. And the attorney will come in there and speak with you shortly, okay?
Okay, so I just remain on pause or whatever.
It's gonna be really quiet in that breakout room because you're on the phone and
Okay,
you're not
should I
gonna be
mute
able
my phone?
you're not gonna be able to hear anything. You're gonna be in that breakout room by yourself. So just,
Oh, okay,
just,
so I shouldn't mute my phone then.
no, sir, you could just stay unmuted. I
Okay.
have a person, the last 4 digits is 5111. What's your name?
Is Mario Smith?
Oh, no, Mr. Smith, I already have you checked in. You're good. I'm looking for a person, 313-307-5111. What's your name? Okay, there's another person on the phone, last 4 digits, 4507. What's your name?
To the people who have called in on the phone, can you hear us? Phone number ending in 4507, can you hear us?
Okay, let's see. I have a couple of people who are going to connect to the audio. It's a person that just says hi. What's your name?
Shaquina Egan's.
How do you spell your last name?
Egnis.
Okay, good morning. I have you checked in. I am
Okay.
going to put you in the breakout room where an attorney will come in there and speak with you shortly, okay?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Was hit, even though police say he had nothing to do with.
All right, let's see.
We're talking serious income, and the way that they do that.
18. All right, Miss Twina Smith,
This me,
speak again for me.
Twina Smith.
Okay, thank you. I'm glad you were able to stay connected. I'm going to put you in the breakout room and an attorney will come in there and speak to you shortly, okay? Can you accept the request to breakout room 19? Alexander,
Here.
all right. Alexander Sanders, right?
Correct.
All right. I have you check.
Alexander Saunders, S-A-U, Saunders.
I have you checked in. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, and the attorney will come in here and speak to you shortly.
Thank you.
Who was that speaking? Was that somebody else on the phone speaking?
No, that was Alexander Sanders. All right, so let's see, we have two other people who did not connect, those three people. We have, okay, so the people on the phone, last four digits 5111, can you hear the court? Okay, I'll put you back in the waiting room. Put them back in. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I'll put this person back in the waiting room to the audio. All right. Thank you. That's it for me.
Okay, Kenyatta Spivey, I'm sorry. Are you present? Kenyatta. This is case number SP 1286776. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Sorry, people of the city of Detroit versus Kenyatta Maximilian Spivey. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 2, stop at the street or failure to stop at the street or intersection. These matters are scheduled for trial and formal hearing today. May I please have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Spivey. Sir, please say your name.
Kenyatta Spivey.
And Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial and formal hearing in this matter. It's my understanding the complaining witness has not appeared. I move to dismiss.
The court notes that these matters are scheduled for trial at 8:35 this morning. It is now 9:40 a.m. The complaining witness is Officer Jesus Acevedo Bowles. The complaining witness is not present in our Zoom session, nor has he called the court or let us know of his whereabouts. Based on the officer's failure to appear, this matter is dismissed. Mr. Spivey, can you turn on your camera?
I thought it was on. I don't know how to get this thing on. Every time I Zoom with you guys, I have this issue.
Matter is dismissed without prejudice based on the officer's failure to appear. There you are. Hello.
You said, I'm sorry, you said with prejudice or without?
It's dismissed without prejudice. That means that although your matter is being dismissed today, if the city wishes to reissue the ticket, they can.
Question, why would they reissue it? I knew that the guy wasn't going to show because everything was a lie. I was not asked for a lot insurance or anything.
Speaking to the facts, the ticket is dismissed without prejudice. I'm not dismissing it with prejudice because it's not being dismissed on the merits. It's being dismissed because the witness is not present.
Right. So my question is this though. That's their fault, correct? So I'm kind of still suffering from that, from them not showing up to where they might say again, you know what, I want to bring this up and then bring it up again. Then my life is further inconvenienced. I already been convinced over a year dealing with something I should not even be dealing with. Like this is like it's crazy. I have full coverage insurance. Like they didn't stop me. I was never pulled over or anything. I walked into a store and got a ticket.
Dismissed. I don't know what you're arguing for.
I don't want it to come back up.
There's no, is this the first time that you've adjudicated this matter?
I've been dealing with this over a year.
Has it been dismissed before and reissued?
No, you guys just keep telling me I have another court date.
Well, I don't know who you guys is, but I'm telling you right now that the ticket is dismissed, and it's dismissed without prejudice because it's not on the merit.
It's worse.
Okay.
Keep talking. Thank you.
Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No. No, it doesn't matter anyway.
Have a good day.
You too.
That concludes this matter. Keandre Earl. Good morning,
Yeah, I'm here.
everybody. Okay. Okay, this is the people of the city of Detroit versus Keandre Lemon Earl. Ticket number 22492085. Count 1, trespassing. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Earl. Sir, please say your name one more time.
Keandre Earl.
Your Honor, Mr. Earl is asking for a bench trial in this matter.
The court notes that this matter was scheduled for a show cause hearing. The court is to enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Earl. Mr. Earl, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Mr. Earl, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fillmore today regarding your case before the court and your accompanying right?
Yes.
And I'm sorry. And do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury on the matter that is before the court?
Yes.
Do you understand that a bench trial is a trial where the judge is the trier of fact and not the jury?
Yes.
And your attorney has indicated that you wish to schedule this matter for bench trial. Is that true?
Yes.
You understand that in order to schedule this matter for a bench trial, you will be waiving your right to a jury trial.
Yes.
And that's how you wish to proceed?
Yes.
Is anyone threatening you, promising you anything, or in any other way trying to force you to get you to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Okay, thank you. This matter is scheduled for bench trial on January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 in the morning. So, Mr. Earl, we will see you back here on January 6th, 2023 at 8:30. You attend court on that day the same way you attended today by logging into our Zoom session for courtroom 333.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You do the same.
That concludes this matter. Mario Smith.
Here.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Smith. I'm about to call you, okay?
Okay.
The people of the city of Detroit versus Mario Don Smith, ticket number P1313471, count 1, 11 to 15 miles per hour over posted speed, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. These matters are scheduled for pre-trial today. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Smith. Sir, please say your name.
Mario Donate Smith.
And Your Honor, Mr. Smith is asking for a bench trial.
Thank you. Mr. Smith, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Mr. Smith, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fillmore today in private about your case and about your accompanying rights?
Yes, I have.
And do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury on the matters that are before the court?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that a bench trial is a trial where the judge is the decider of fact?
I understand.
And you understand that a bench trial has no jury?
Yes.
Your attorney has indicated that you wish to schedule this matter for a bench trial. Is that correct?
Yes.
You understand that in order to have a bench trial, that you will be waiving your right to a jury trial?
I understand.
Is anyone threatening you, promising you anything, or in any other way trying to force you to get you to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Thank you. The court is gonna set this matter for bench trial on January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m.
January the 6th at 8 a.m. You write it down.
8:30.
I'm about to write it down. January 6th. You said at 8. What's the time again?
8:30.
8:30.
Yes.
30 a.m. Okay. Same courtroom and everything.
Same courtroom. You will come to court the same way you did today by logging into the Zoom session for courtroom 333.
Got to take another day off from work, huh?
Well, we have to, if you want to go to trial, yeah, you do.
I understand. Yeah, I understand.
Sorry about that. Okay, you have any other questions?
No, I don't.
Okay, the Zoom link is 360-333-0000.
Wait a minute. The Zoom link.
I mean, you got here today. I don't know how you got here today, but
Oh yeah, I went to www.36districtcourt.org. So just go into the same thing, right?
Okay, well, yeah, I don't want to confuse you. Yes, do the same thing you did today. Okay, for courtroom 333. I will see you on January 6th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
I can hang up now.
Yes, or I can remove you from the courtroom, either way. But that concludes this matter. Good day.
Okay, can you remove me? All right, thanks.
Yes. Okay, those are all the, oh wait, you said on the Neil site.
Yes, Your Honor.
I am here, Your Honor. Good morning.
Okay, good morning to you. I'm just waiting on your file. Give me 1 second, please.
Your Honor, this is the prosecutor. Good morning.
Prosecutor Morgan, how are you?
Good. Pretty good, thank you. I have Officer Willie Robinson in the breakout room, and I wanted to find out if Mr. Fillmore, if the person is, what's going to happen? Do you have?
I saw there was a note that said "see prosecutor," so I was waiting to find you, Mr. Morgan, to talk about that.
Okay. So
there's no offer on there, right?
Okay, I can give you an offer.
Oh, okay.
All right. I'll chat it to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Send me the offers, please. Did he leave already? Oh, no. Can you email me the offers? I didn't get them for today.
Okay, will do. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
And Mr. Morgan, one more item. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Did you receive some documentation from the individuals that were emailing you?
I have not even had a chance to look. I've been in the breakout room with the other attorneys to retain. Okay, I'll look and I'll get back. Thank you.
Thank you, Attorney Morgan. Attorney Shard and Attorney Hub.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning, Judge.
Attorney Shard, what matter are you here on?
I'm on Mr. Jason Spencer.
And have you resolved that matter, or do you need to speak to the prosecutor?
I spoke to Mr. Morgan, and we're both requesting an adjournment for at least 30 days, Your Honor, if possible.
Okay, give me a second to put that on the record. And then Attorney Hub.
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to speak to the city attorney. I represent Michael Somo Shamoon, case number SP 133-63521 OT. It's up today for a pre-trial. And Your Honor, we're asking the court to set this matter for a trial.
Okay, you were going in and out. What's the name of your client?
Judge, I apologize. It's Michael Hani Somo Shamoon. It's up for a pre-trial today.
Oh, okay. Michael Hani Somo. Okay, the clerk is gonna get that. I'm gonna call a couple of cases before I put you to your matters on the record. Attorney Miller, what about you?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on behalf of Tamiko Ingram.
Perfect.
Tamiko Ingram, and have you spoken to the prosecutor yet?
I have. After speaking with the prosecutors and my client, we would like to set it for a bench trial as well, if that's possible.
Okay, all right, give me a second to get these. Let me call Ms. Sykes. She's been waiting for quite some time.
No worries, thank you.
Attorney Jeans?
Yes, Your Honor, I was going to tell you we're ready on Malik Starks here.
Okay, your audio is not that great. Did you say you're ready on Malik Starks Harrison?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, what are you gonna be doing on that one?
Setting it for trial.
Okay, I'll call you in a second. Thank you. All right, this is the people of the city of Detroit versus Lanil Aaliyah Nashania Sykes. Ticket number P14643, count 1, 11 to 15 miles per hour over the posted speed. This matter is scheduled for a hearing today. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Sykes. Ma'am, would you please say your name?
Good morning, Lanil Sykes.
And Your Honor, Ms. Sykes is asking for a bench trial.
Okay, thank you. Let me call this other ticket. It's ticket number P1314647. Also, people of the city of Detroit versus Lanil Aaliyah Nashania Sykes. Account 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Do you also appear on her behalf for that matter, Attorney Fillmore?
Jim Fillmore appearing again on behalf of Ms. Sykes. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Sykes, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Ms. Sykes, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fillmore today regarding your matters that are before the court and your accompanying rights?
Yes, I did.
And your attorney has indicated that you wish to schedule this matter for bench trial. Is that correct?
Correct.
Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury?
I do.
And you understand that a bench trial is a trial by the judge?
Yes, I choose you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. So you just indicated that you wish to have a bench trial. Do you understand that you're waiving your right to a jury trial?
I do.
And is anyone threatening you, forcing you, or promising you anything to get you to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, not at all.
Okay, these matters will be scheduled for bench trial on January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 in the morning. You come to court on that day the same way you attended today by logging into the Zoom session for courtroom 333. That's January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m.
Got it, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Happy holidays to you. Thank you.
Oh, happy holidays to you as well. That concludes this matter.
Thank you. You too, thank you.
Okay, this is the people of the city of Detroit versus Michael Hani Shamoon Somo, ticket number P1336352. Count one, disobeying the lawful order of a police officer. This matter is scheduled for pretrial conference today. May I have appearances for the record?
Your Honor, good morning. Andrew Hubbs appearing on behalf and for Mr. Somo Shamoon.
Okay, Mr. Somo Shamoon, can you please state your name?
Michael Somo.
As I stated, this matter is scheduled for pretrial. Attorney Hubbs, how are you proceeding today?
Your Honor, this matter was set for a pretrial. The last time it was set for a bench trial, we were hoping to come up with a resolution. I spoke with the city attorney previously this morning, Your Honor. Unfortunately, we're not in a position to resolve this, so I would ask the court to respectfully reset this for a bench trial.
Okay, Mr. Somo Shamoon, is it Shamoon Somo or Somo Shamoon?
Michael Somo.
Okay, Mr. Somo, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Mr. Somo, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private regarding this matter about your accompanying rights?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury in this matter?
Yes.
Do you understand that a bench trial is a trial where the judge is the decider of fact?
Yes.
And that in a bench trial, there will be no jury?
Yes.
Okay, is it your desire to waive your right to a jury trial and schedule this matter for a bench trial?
Yes.
Is anyone threatening you, promising you anything, or any other way trying to force you to get you to waive your right to a jury trial?
Nope.
Okay, this matter is scheduled for bench trial on January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Mr. Somo, you come to court the same way you attended today by logging into the Zoom session for courtroom 333.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Not guilty plea is continued. I will see you all on January 6th at 8:30 in the morning.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
That concludes this matter. Do you have anything else in this courtroom, Attorney Hubbs?
I don't, Your Honor. You have a great holiday.
You too. Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you.
Attorney Sharp, what was your client's name?
Jason Spencer, Your Honor, he was in the waiting room, I believe. Breakout room. Breakout
Okay,
room.
did you need to speak to him?
No, I think we're all set, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna move him. Meanwhile, I will call Mr. Ingram. Is Mr. Ingram present? Oh,
Your Honor, I believe he's in the waiting room as well. He accidentally left.
okay. Mr. Jeans, is your present? Oh, okay, I see your client. Let's see. I will move over
You want to court already?
Mr. Ingram. You say he's in the waiting room or is he in a breakout?
He told me the waiting room.
Okay, I'm checking it. I got about 5 other places to go.
Judge, Mr. Spencer's in the breakout room 1, I believe.
I tried to move Mr. Spencer over. He's gonna have to follow the prompt. Let me do it again. You might want to text him and tell him to follow that prompt.
I will. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. This is Mr. Harrison. Can you please turn on your camera? Malik Harrison. Cannot call the case if I don't see your face. Mr. Harrison. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, I'm sorry about that. It had said host disabled at first.
Okay, that's fine. I'm sorry. So I'm about to call your case. Okay. Okay. This is people of the city of Detroit versus Malik S. Starks Harrison, 633-96322. Violation of the controlled substance code. This matter is scheduled for a pretrial conference. May I have a period for the record? Excuse me, if I'm not calling your case, please mute yourself. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Chesterton SP 83295, representing Mr. Malik Starks Harrison, who's present and consists of this hearing via Zoom. Mr. Harrison, will you please state your name for the record?
This is Malik Starks Harrison.
Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Harrison again. Attorney James, how are we proceeding today?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd like to set this matter for a bench trial.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Harrison, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Mr. Harrison, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private today regarding your case and about your accompanying
Yes.
right? And do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury on the matters before the court?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you wish to set this matter for a bench trial. Is that correct?
Yes.
Do you understand that a bench trial is a trial where the judge is the decider of fact, not a jury?
Yes.
Do you understand that in order to have a bench trial, you would be waiving your right to a jury trial?
Yes.
And is that how you wish to proceed? By what you want to waive your right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Okay. Is anyone threatening you with anything, promising you anything, or trying to, or forcing you to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Okay, this matter is going to be scheduled for bench trial on January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 in the morning. Attorney James, is that a good day?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, your not guilty plea is continued, Mr. Harrison. I will see you back here on January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. And you attend court on that day the same way you attended today by logging into the Zoom session for courtroom 333.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful holiday to you and your staff.
Yep. Y'all too.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh. This is the people of the city of Detroit versus Jason Bernard Spencer, ticket number P1364398, count 1, 16 to 20 miles per hour over the posted speed, and count 2, no proof of insurance. This is also ticket P1364399, count 1, driving with revoked license. These matters are scheduled for, I guess, pre-trial today. May I have appearances for the record?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Stephen Sharg on behalf of Mr. Spencer.
Good morning to you, Attorney Sharg. Mr. Spencer, can you please state your name for the record?
Jason Bernard Spencer.
Good morning to you, Mr. Spencer. Attorney Sharg, how are you proceeding today on this matter?
Yes, good morning, Judge. I spoke with Mr. Morgan, and we were both requesting an adjournment so I could provide him information.
Okay, you said approximately 30 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
Today is 9. How about January 10th? January 10th. Is that the week that's blocked out? Okay. One second, Attorney Sharp.
30 days, I have January 17th.
Okay, January 17th, is that a good day?
The 17th, yes, Judge, that'd be a good day.
Okay, so this is the pre-trial, so it'll be set for an adjourned pre-trial on January 17th at 8:35 a.m.
Okay, and will that be on Zoom again, Judge?
Yes, that will be via Zoom. Mr. Spencer and Attorney Sharp, you attend court the same way you attended today by logging into the Zoom session for courtroom 333.
Sounds awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're welcome. Have a good day. Thank you all for your patience.
Yeah, have a nice holiday. Take care, Judge.
January 17th. You do the same. Thank you, Attorney Sharp.
Thank you.
That concludes this matter, and we have Tamiko Ingram. Is Mr. Ingram over? Okay, that's the one that we were trying to find, right?
Yeah, Your Honor, he said he's in the personal waiting room. I asked him to specify breakout room or the waiting room.
Do we have anybody in the waiting room?
We got 7 people, 8 people.
Oh, okay. Can we get them? I don't know how to, I don't see them.
Because you gotta push participant, click participants at the bottom.
Where?
Oh, wait, oh, yep. Yes.
Is this a plea? Just curious, just asking.
No, so today was set for a pretrial and we're setting it for a bench trial.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Ingram, hello.
Hello.
I'm about to call your case. This is people of the city of Detroit versus Tamiko Lamar Ingram, ticket number P1349386, count 1. Failure to use seatbelt assembly system, effective 1/1/86, count 2, 6 to 10 miles per hour over posted speed, and count 3, driving while license suspended. Matter is scheduled for pretrial conference today. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Clayton Miller, P86291, on behalf of defendant Tamiko Ingram. Mr. Ingram, can you please state your name for the record?
Tamiko Ingram.
Hey, good morning to you, Attorney Miller. Good morning, Mr. Ingram. This matter is scheduled for pretrial conference. It's my understanding you wish to schedule this for bench trial. Right, Mr. Miller, Attorney Miller?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Ingram, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Mr. Ingram, have you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private regarding your case and regarding your accompanying rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you wish to set this matter for bench trial. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury on the matters that are before the court?
Yes.
Do you understand that by scheduling this matter for bench trial, you are waiving your right to a jury trial?
Yes.
And is that how you wish to proceed?
Yes.
Is anyone threatening you, forcing you, or promising you anything to get you to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Okay, this matter is scheduled for bench trial on January 6, 2023 at 8:30 in the morning. Attorney Miller, is that a good day for you?
That works, Your Honor. That works. Thank you.
Okay, so let me see, write this. January 6, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Mr. Ingram, Attorney Miller, you return to court on that day the same way you appeared today by logging into the Zoom session for courtroom 333. Okay?
Terrific.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, anything further from you, Attorney Miller?
That will do it. Thank you. Happy holiday and take care. Stay warm.
Happy holidays to you and happy holidays to you, Mr. Ingram. If there's nothing further, that concludes this matter. We'll see you back here on January 6th at 8:30 in the morning.
Thank you, Your Honor. Happy holidays to you as well.
Thank you. Same to you. Okay. Attorney Miller, do you have anything else? Okay. I'm frozen. All right, the court is gonna take a 3-minute recess. 5-minute recess.
Judge, do you still have me in there? I'm sorry, do you still have Alexander Saunders in here?
Alexander Saunders. Did you speak to an attorney?
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
What you
Mr.
say?
You're,
Oh, yeah, I spoke to you, but yeah, okay.
yeah, he's set for trial today, Your Honor. There's no police officer.
No, oh, okay. All right, well, I was taking a recess to allow my court staff to take a break. My court clerk is back. Madam Court Reporter, do you need a break right now?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, the court is back in session then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's see. This is. Oh, my Zoom went down. Can you all hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
This is the people of the city of Detroit versus Alexander Lee Davis Saunders, ticket number P1284918. Count 1, driving with revoked license. Count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. This is also ticket number P1284925. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. These matters are scheduled for bench trial today. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Saunders. Sir, please say your name.
Alexander Lee Davis Saunders.
And Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial on these matters. That's my understanding. The complaining witness is not checked in with the court. I move to dismiss.
Okay, let's see here. The court notes that this matter was scheduled for a bench trial at 8:35 a.m. Court also notes that it is 10:15 a.m. and the complaining witness, Officer M. Washington, is not present, nor has Officer Washington checked in with the court to let us know of his or her whereabouts. This court is dismissing these matters without prejudice based on the officer's failure to appear. Mr. Saunders,
you, Your Honor.
Your tickets are dismissed. However, it is without prejudice. So if the city wants to reissue the tickets, they can. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Mr. Shorts, there is no laying down in court. Are you ready on Mr. Shorts, Attorney Fillmore?
Mr. Shorts emailed his documentation to the prosecutor. I'm not sure if Mr. Morgan's received that yet. I think we can call Demetrius Short, who is going to be a plea, and so we could let Officer Robinson go on his way.
Okay, Mr. Shorts, I'm gonna turn your camera off until we're ready to call your case, okay?
It's too short.
Don't know what you said. Austin Shorts. I'm talking to Austin Shorts.
I wasn't,
Also,
I was just leaning back against the couch. I wasn't laying down, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's fine. We still can't call your case yet. We're waiting on the prosecutor to verify these procedure documents. So,
Okie dokie.
thank you for your patience. Okay, Demetrius Earl Short. Where is nowhere? Okay. I see it. Okay, this is the people of the city of Detroit versus Demetrius Earl Short. Ticket numbers P1288507, count 1, driving with revoked license, and also ticket number P1288496, count 1, 31 plus miles per hour over the posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance, and count 3, no valid registration certificate. These matters are scheduled for bench trial today. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Short. Sir, would you please say your name?
Demetrius Short.
And
Officer Willie Robinson, badge 2590, Detroit Police.
Oh,
thank
okay,
you, Officer
sorry.
Robinson.
According to you, Officer Robinson.
Good morning.
Your Honor, we do have a resolution in these matters. Mr. Short would like to take advantage of the people's plea offer this morning. Does the court have a copy of that?
I do have a copy of it.
Okay.
Okay. The court notes that these matters were scheduled for bench trial today at 8:35 a.m. The court notes that the complaining witness, Officer Willie Robinson, is present and has been present today. Officer Robinson, thank you for your appearance and thank you for your patience. As indicated, Mr. Short is about to take a plea. You are free to go if you'd like, or you can stay until the end to make sure that the plea goes forward. That's your prerogative, but thank you for your appearance and be safe.
Yep, not a problem, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Short, can you please raise your right hand? Demetrius Short.
Yes.
Sorry, my computer is frozen. Let me look at this computer. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Mr. Short, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney today regarding your cases and your accompanying rights?
Yes, I did.
And it's my understanding that you want to take advantage of a plea offer and plead guilty today. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, and that the people's offer is that if you plead guilty to driving with a revoked license on ticket number SP 1288507, that's count one, you'll be pleading guilty to that. And you would also be pleading responsible to count one on ticket P 1288496, which is the 31 plus miles per hour over posted speed. The people, this counts 2 and 3 of the same ticket. Is that your understanding of the plea offer?
Yes.
Okay. And do you want to take advantage of that plea offer and plead guilty today?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything beyond the plea offer placed on the record in order to get you to enter into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury, and that by entering into this guilty plea today, you're waiving that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing and understanding that you're waiving your right to a trial by judge or jury, do you wish to continue and enter into a guilty plea today?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes.
Okay. I would like to direct your attention to all kinds of technical difficulties today. My apologies. Okay, I want to direct your attention to the date of December 7th, 2021 at approximately 4:33 p.m. in the area of East Forest and Ellery Place in the city of Detroit. On the date and time indicated and in the location indicated, Mr. Short, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And were you driving that vehicle with a revoked driver's license?
Yes, I was.
Is the defense satisfied?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied and will accept the guilty plea to driving with a revoked license, which is count one on ticket ending in 507. Attorney Fillmore, do you stipulate to probable cause to establish a factual basis? I'm sorry, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket to establish probable cause or ticket P1288?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Thank you, to establish a factual basis. And do you also stipulate to probable cause?
So stipulated.
And how does your client plead to the count of speeding 31 plus miles per hour over the posted speed?
Responsible, Your Honor.
Mr. Short, you're pleading responsible to that?
Yes.
Okay, the court is going to accept the plea of responsible to count 1 ticket ending in 496. And the court is dismissing counts 2 and 3 on the same ticket. In accordance with the plea agreements. Okay, let me see what the fines are. Mr. Short, the fine on 31 miles per hour over the posted speed is $195. That's to be paid within 14 days. Will you be able to make that payment $195 by December 30th? I'm sorry,
Yes.
December 3rd?
Yes.
Okay. And also the court is going to assess a fine of $200 on count 1 of ticket ending in 8507. That's $200. So it's going to be a total of $395 to be paid. Yes, Madam Clerk. Oh. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna make everything due by the 6th, okay? Because we're having holidays, the court is open some days, it's not open other days. So both the $195 fine and the $200 fine, which is a total of $395, is due to the court by January 6th, 2023. That's a Friday, right? Yeah, Friday, January 6th, 2023. You can pay by coming down to 36th District Court and seeing our cashier. You can go online and pay at 36th District Court's website. You can also pay at our DivDat kiosks, which are located throughout the community. I know there's one in Northwest Activity Center. I know there's one at the City County Building or the Culminate Young Municipal Center on Woodward and Jefferson. And I'm told that the DivDat kiosks are also located throughout the city at different CVS locations. You can also download the DivDat app, that's DIVDAT, and pay that way. You have any questions, Mr. Short?
No, I do not.
Okay, make sure you have those fines paid by January 6th, 2023.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Again, thank you, Officer Robinson, for your appearance. The court is releasing you. Please stay safe out there, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good weekend.
Okay, you do the same. That concludes this matter. Do I have any other files ready right now, Attorney Fillmore?
We have, let's see, Mr. Smith, where'd he go? He might be on the phone. Hold on a second. I think this is Mr. Smith. I can't see the name. It's covered up by another message here, but that is also a trial that I believe there's no officer for.
Okay, is that Laval Smith?
Yes, Your Honor.
What about George Seahorn?
Mr. Seahorn, Mr. Shorts, and Miss Tweena Smith, they've all emailed documentation to the prosecutor, so I'm just waiting on his verification.
Okay. All right, Mr. Seahorn and Mr. And Miss Tweena Smith, please have patience. Thank you for your patience, first of all. And we are waiting, as the attorney said, we're waiting on Attorney Morgan to verify that he's received your documents. We'll call your cases as soon as we connect back with Attorney Morgan. But Mr. Smith, oh, I'm sorry, go ahead.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. There is one other individual, Oh, wait, where'd he go? Maybe he's gone. I'm sorry. Never mind. I was gonna say there's someone waiting that was waiting for a retained attorney, but I think he's gone now, so I don't know where he went. So,
Okay.
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 Disregard.
Laval Smith. Mr. Laval Smith, please unmute yourself.
Mhm. And Your Honor, Miss Egan's is just asking for a bench trial if we want to come back to Mr. Smith.
Okay. We have like, yeah, 9 people waiting.
Yes, ma'am. Those are people you allow me to have come in, but we couldn't connect with them. I could try.
Okay, let me follow this person. Okay, 6-1.
Yeah.
Mr. Smith, if you can hear me, please dial *6 and unmute yourself. Okay.
Hello, ma'am?
Yes, yes, thank
Yes.
you.
Okay.
I'm about
Good
to
morning.
call your-
Thank you.
Good morning. Okay, this is the people of the city of Detroit versus Laval Edward Smith. Ticket numbers P1287070, count 1, improper plate. Also ticket number P1287074, count 1, improper plates, and count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also ticket number P1287076, count 1, no valid registration certificate, and count 2, no proof of insurance. These matters are scheduled for bench trial today. May I please have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Smith. Sir, could you please say your name?
My name is Laval Edward Smith.
And Your Honor, today's the date and time set for trial and formal hearing in these matters. I don't believe the complaining witness, Officer Crawford, has checked in with the court. I move to dismiss.
Okay, the court notes that these matters were scheduled for trial and formal hearing at 8:35 this morning. Did you get any messages about
No.
the complaining witness is Officer A. Crawford. On all 3 tickets, the court notes that, as I stated, these matters were scheduled for trial at 8:35 a.m. It is now 10:31 a.m. and Officer Crawford is not present in court, nor has Officer Crawford called the court or any other way indicated where he or she is. So the court is unaware of this officer's whereabouts. Based on the officer's failure to appear, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Smith, your matters are dismissed,
Yes,
but they're dismissed, but it is without prejudice. That means that if the city wishes to reissue the tickets, they can. Okay?
Okay. Okay, so I should just keep all the stuff that I get regarding this issue. I should hold on to it for a while.
For a little while, yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you for your
Thank you.
patience.
I'm sorry. And I apologize for the condition of my phone because I didn't have no way to use a camera or anything. I was worried to death that I wasn't going to be able to get all this done.
I completely understand. No need to apologize. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. And you have a nice holiday, ma'am.
You do the same. Thank you. Happy holidays to you.
So I'm done?
I'm done. I'm about to remove you from the court. That concludes this
Okay.
matter.
Okay.
Okay. You said, Ms. Ignis, I don't know if I'm mispronouncing that. That's a demand for a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, this is the people of the city of Detroit versus Shaquina Keisha Ignis, ticket number P1318773, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. This matter is scheduled for pretrial conference today. May I please have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Ignis. Ma'am, would you please say your name?
Shaquina Egan's.
And Your Honor, Ms. Egan's is asking for a bench trial in these matters, this matter.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Egan. Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand. Ms. Egan, you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fillmore today in private about your case and about your accompanying rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury on the matters that are currently before the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Attorney Fillmore has indicated that you want to set this matter for bench trial. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that a bench trial is a trial where the judge is the decider of fact and that there is no jury in a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that in order to have a bench trial, you are waiving your right to a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is it your desire to waive your right to a jury trial and proceed with a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is anyone threatening you, promising you anything, or forcing you to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, the court is going to schedule this matter for bench trial January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Ms. Egan, you appear in court the same way you did today by logging into Zoom for courtroom 333, and that's at 8:30.
Can I have the login number again? The Zoom ID number.
Yeah, I can give you this Zoom ID number. It's 360-333-0000.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you can also go to the website and find it that way. The 30.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
All right, we'll see you on January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. That concludes this matter. Okay, we're gonna allow the court clerk to check in some people. There are several people in the waiting room.
Good morning, person on the phone, last four digits 4507. What's your name? Person on the phone. All right, I have another person on the phone, last four digits 5111. What's your name? Good morning, Anisha Simpson.
Yes.
All right, thanks for waiting. I have you checked in. I'm going to put you in a breakout room and attorney will come in there and speak with you shortly.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Your Honor. I'm right. Okay. Pakaya Ellis. Pakaya Ellis. All right. Pakaya Ellis. right. I have iPhone user is a man with a blue sweater on and glasses. What's your name?
Clifton English.
English, 1 second.
Okay. So don't nobody come out here talking to me. I'm in court. Cause that everybody get busy right when I got taken care of something.
All right, Mr. English, I have you checked in. Mr. English, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room where an attorney is gonna come speak with you. It's gonna be really quiet in that breakout room, so be patient, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's it, Hannah. Let's lay it there. So, yeah.
Attorney Morgan, are you there?
iPhone user is a guy with
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. He's here.
Oh,
it's
hey,
possible.
Attorney Morgan, did you get a chance to review those emails yet?
I did. I reviewed Fillmore sent, I believe, one. Let me double check Fillmore, but yeah, and I replied to that one. That if you want to call that case right now, it's
Yes.
to Wena Smith.
Twina Smith,
Yeah.
what about Austin Shorts and George Seymour?
Okay, let me find those.
Yeah, and they sent those directly to you, Mr. Morgan. I did not send those.
Oh, okay. Austin Shorts. Okay, let me take a look and I'll get right back. Yep. I do have to go to 437. So you're gonna have to give me time too as well. But I'll do what I can as soon as I can. Thank you.
Sir, with the iPhone, oh, you turned your camera off. If you could turn your camera back on and let me know your name, it just says iPhone user.
Mr. Edwards.
Mr. Edwards, would you please tell me your full name so I can check you in?
Nevonte Edwards, Nevonta.
I checked you in. Did you get a chance to talk to the attorney earlier?
That
Yeah.
And everyone, Madam Clerk and Your Honor, that's the individual I was saying earlier that indicated he had a retained attorney, and I thought he was still in the waiting room. I don't think an attorney ever appeared on his behalf.
Nope. And my
No,
phone
it's not.
died.
Okay, you might want to reach out to your attorney. They did not appear. Sir. Can you call your attorney to see if they're gonna come? I can put
Yes,
you in the
ma'am.
breakout. Okay, I'll put you back in the breakout room. Are you gonna be able to make that call while you're on, or you have another phone?
Yes, I can make the call.
Okay, I'll put you in the breakout room and then, or you could just mute your device so you can
Yeah.
let us know if you have a
Okay.
follow-up update,
Yes.
from about your attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Thank you. Pakaya Ellis, thanks for connecting. I did check you in earlier. Did you speak with the attorney?
No, I didn't.
All right, I'm going to, you remember being checked in earlier, or was I?
Yeah,
Okay,
I remember being checked in.
okay, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room again, and the attorney is gonna come back and speak
All
to
right.
you.
Okay.
And all right, let's see about these three. These are three, I could not get to the audio, but I'm gonna try. All right, so there's three people I'm trying to identify: Fred Pulio, Scope Vote, and there's a long like Beats, Dewan Beats. I'm gonna put a sign up that's only for those three people, trying to get to connect to turn their audio on. Everyone else can disregard the message. So, let's see, is it Beats one Dwayne? Okay. I'm unable to, okay, so I'm unable to get those people to connect. Okay. No, I see they are connected to. All right. So I don't know if they jump in or.
All right, so
Not yet.
Mr. Beat Studio was Dwayne.
That's me.
That's you. I thought my computer was messing up. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna call Ms. Smith. But wait. Mr. Dwayne Beats, I see you're trying to connect to audio. This is people of the city of Detroit versus Twina Levita Smith, ticket number P128883, count 1, expired plates, and count 2, defective or missing equipment. This is also ticket number P12888373, people of the city of Detroit versus Twina Levita Smith, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Smith. Ma'am, would you please say your name? Your device is on mute, Ms. Smith. Can you unmute that and say your name, please?
Hello?
Twina Smith.
Good morning, Ms. Smith. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
Attorney Fillmore, is this one that, how do you wish to proceed? I'm sorry.
Well, Your Honor, yes, there's one matter on the docket. I did hear the court call, I think, more than one matter, so I'm not sure what that was. The matter that was on the docket was a no insurance misdemeanor, and Ms. Smith was able to provide valid documentation. And I would ask the court to dismiss that matter. But what was the other matter?
It looks like there are 2 civil infractions. I'm going to see if they're in default or if they've been paid. Ms. Smith, do you know? What
I
happened
paid
with
the, I paid the tickets, and so after they put them in the system, I didn't know that I was supposed to have went to court. So when I got the tickets, I paid them.
Okay, okay. So, the matter that I called, the ticket ending in 363 is closed because Ms. Smith paid them. So, the only other matter that is on the court, the matter that is up for the court is the ticket ending in 373. Attorney Fillmore, that's the one that you have on the docket.
Yes, Your Honor. And I would ask the court to dismiss.
Okay, the court is dismissing this matter based on Ms. Smith's compliance by providing proper documentation. Ms. Smith,
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you for your patience. Your matter has been dismissed. You are free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Mhm.
That concludes this matter. Was there anything else that was ready, Attorney Fillmore?
I don't believe so. There are a couple new people admitted to the waiting rooms. I guess I'll go speak with if I have a moment.
Okay, that's a perfect opportunity to give the court reporter a break. The
All
court
right.
is in recess until 11:05.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Mr. Edwards' lawyer never answer.
Okay, let me see, Your Honor, should I just reschedule this and try to reach out to his attorney?
Devontae Edwards. Mr. Edwards, who is your attorney?
Muhammad,
Muhammad.
Case number.
Was this a free trial?
Yes, let me see. I'll try to see if I can. I don't have his phone number in here. I don't know because it's not. in the system.
Mr. Edwards, what's your attorney's first name? Navante Edwards, can you hear me?
Yeah, it's I just know Muhammad.
Wait, can you give us
I
his
can't
phone?
find him by Muhammad. I need some, do you have a law firm name or something like that?
His phone.
Or do you even have his phone number? Do you have his phone
Yeah.
number?
Yeah, I have his phone number.
Okay, how do you? Can
His
you-
phone number is 248 633 6767.
Okay, we're calling him now.
Yeah, I was trying to find out Muhammad whole name. Who? I don't know how to pronounce that. Israel Muhammad. Oh, Israel Muhammad. Israel Muhammad. Okay. Israel Muhammad.
Okay.
He did answer when I called. Is it voicemail?
Oh, he worked for Tom Perkins.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
I'll be back in 11:05.
Okay.
Your call.
Word.
Clearly.
All right, Attorney Perkins is gonna come, Mr. Edwards. I just reached out and Attorney Perkins will sign one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'm muted, everyone. If everyone can stay muted, Mr. English, I'm gonna put you on mute and just unmute when the judge calls your name, okay?
Okay.
Thanks.
Madam Clerk, I believe there was a request that I messaged to you.
Oh,
Uh,
okay. Let me,
I've got so much happening. I can't remember if this is if it's still an outstanding request.
Prosecutor Morgan, are you printing to courtroom 333?
Printing?
Yeah, are you sending anything?
Actually, I'm sorry. I did send messages to the defense attorney and the court. I will forward those same messages.
No, not that, that's okay. Someone is sending SOSs over here and I know you usually ask, I don't think it was you, I was just wondering.
Oh, I messaged one request for an SOS.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's directly to my printer and it's printing out automatically. I think it may be one of my fellow coworkers. So
Oh, I don't even know. I can't do that. I don't even know how to do
yeah,
it.
that's what I thought. I was like, I don't think he has the capability.
No, I don't. That would be nice.
For the one that I got your email, so I have that one ready for you.
Okay, thank you. I'm probably gonna just, yeah, come by. Yeah, I'm gonna come by there now. Yep, thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Prosecutor Morgan, can I get your email address again to make sure I got the right email address? Hello?
Let me see. Prosecutor did receive an email with documentation in it.
From Austin Shorts?
I do, yes.
Thank you. I just wanted to make sure I had the right email address.
What's your number, Sharon?
3842.
3842?
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh, you know you put that. Yeah.
okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Hi, Attorney Perkins. Do you need a breakout room with Navante Edwards? I think you're muted.
Sorry. What is the charge on that?
Let me see. He has loudspeaker, driving without, wait, let me look this one up so I can get the full. And then no insurance.
I was just gonna come in and ask for a dismissal. So, you know, I wouldn't need a breakout for that.
Drug without cycle endorsement, no moped license. No insurance and loudspeaker.
They just went to town on him, didn't they? Wow. Yeah, so Muhammad is actually representing him. I mean, I'm friend of the family, the whole, but I'm gonna text Muhammad. He's in trial over at Frank Murphy, and they went on Friday. He's showing me his cycle endorsement. So I think there's some room that we could work this out, but I want to talk to Muhammad real quick. And I would enjoy a breakout room with Mr. Edwards.
And I got a driving license though.
All right, here I come, because we are on the live, and I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Okay, Fredo Julio, if you can unmute your device. Or Fred Julio.
For goodness sakes.
Fred Julio.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I've seen you've been here for quite a while. I tried to connect with you. I don't have you on the docket today. Do you have a case number?
The case number is 22 74 40 931.
Sanchez. Okay.
Yes.
Your court date is at 8:45. Okay, Frebly Sanchez.
No, the name is wrong. It's Freddy. FREDDY.
Okay. All right, Mr. Sanchez, I do have you checked in. And wait 1 second, hold on. 8:45. 8:45. Okay, Mr. Sanchez, I do have you checked in. I'll change the name, even though it's not gonna actually, I'll leave it alone because the file and the ticket has the name like that on there, so I can't make it. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, and attorney will come in here and speak to you shortly, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's see, breakout room number. Ms. Bankston, Stephanie Bankston, good morning, after morning. Yeah, morning's good. Stephanie Bankston. Okay, Mr. Sanchez, you should have received a request to join breakout room number 7.
Hello.
Hi, Ms. Banks.
Ma'am.
All right, I have you checked in. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. The attorney is gonna come in there and speak with you shortly.
Okay, and I'm late too, because I was in the wrong courtroom and everything, and I had to go to 30th District Court. So I was not disrespecting the court. I want you to know that.
Okay, appreciate it. So please accept the request to room 8.
Let's see. It says breakout room. It say join.
Okay. This is for 2 other people. Beats, one Dwayne Beats is a guy with a hoodie. It's 2 people I need to identify. So I'm asking for them to please turn on their audio. So that message is going to stay up for a while. Everyone else is taken care of.
Hello?
Okay, I got someone. Hi, who is this? Oh no, Mr. Seahorn, you're all set. This is only for 2 other people that I'm trying to connect to the audio. So
Oh,
Mr.
okay.
C, yep, George Seahorn, Picard, Liz, Austin
Yeah.
Short, y'all all have been checked in. Please do not respond to the message for turning on their audio. This is for 2 people that I cannot get to connect to the audio and check in. But everyone else disregard the message. Looks like someone is gonna call us. He's writing. So I hope he's gonna call. I'll put his name right here. I don't know his name though, that's the point. Hi.
Trying to get somebody to respond.
Yeah. Oh, someone's calling. 36 District Courtroom, how may I help you? Who though? Like, what courtroom? And you have court today? Okay, I'm gonna call you back after court time. What's your number?
You don't know where it is. Sit back, y'all. Picking and moving and all that shit. Yeah, I'm not saying my damn boy bus is always at that 5 buses.
All right, everyone should stay muted until you ask to unmute. Clifton English, I muted you back again. And let's see, we got a phone number, last 4 digits, 0766. What's your name?
Last name Solomon, first name is Onika.
1 second. I have you checked in. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. An attorney will come in there and speak in that breakout room shortly. The breakout room is gonna be quiet. You're gonna be the only person in there. So be patient in there and don't leave the breakout room until the judge brings you out, okay?
Thank you. Keep it on mute.
Well, that part don't really matter because you're gonna be the only person in that room. So, and it's okay to be unmuted. So when the attorney comes in, he can just like dive right in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I just keep think it's a moving target on me.
Hold on 1 second. I had it okay. Oh, Mr. Perkins, I have a prosecutor here. He was on the Zoom, but he's jumping between courtrooms. So I didn't know if you wanted to talk to him about Mr. Edwards or.
Yeah. Who's the prosecutor? I could probably call him directly.
Steve.
I'll go back up to Zoom. Do we have a file for that person?
For the yeah, it's right here. Prosecutor
Do I need
Morgan.
that file?
Mhm.
Hey, this is Morgan. How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
All right, I'm gonna talk to you on Zoom. I'll go back up to the Zoom and take you to a breakout room. Oh, I did. Wait a minute. I think I did it.
He has a license now.
Okay.
He did show his license on the screen.
Is this person in the, is he up for show cause today? Let me see. Nope. Let me see. Edward. Oh, I see. I did write an offer. I can tell you what the offer is verbally. I recall it was plea to 3-month delay on the loudspeaker, and we can dismiss the other 2 charges. How about that? You got it?
3-month delay on the loudspeaker.
Yes. And
dismiss everything else.
Yeah, it was the only other 2 charges I have here. 2 other charges.
Which were those?
Oh, one of them says drove without cycle endorsement
Right.
/ moped license and no insurance.
Okay. All right.
Yep,
Yeah, let's go with that.
Okay. All right, good.
I'll tell Mr. Edwards. How much is it? What's the cost on that?
I don't know. We're gonna have to speak to the judge. I have no idea.
Okay.
We would guess, but we would only be guessing with the judge.
Yes, we would.
You know,
Yes, we would.
Judge Kennedy, is, just setting her patterns. If you know
Oh
what I
yeah,
mean.
that's right. We don't know our patterns yet. Yes.
Exactly. Yeah.
Well, here we go.
I'll mute it.
All right, thank you. Court is back in session. Are there any matters that are ready?
Edwards.
Good morning, Attorney Perkins. How are you?
Good morning, Yara. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Okay, you said Edwards, I'm looking for the file now.
The offer is probably not in there. It's it's not in there.
Okay. You said you emailed it to me.
Yes, I can tell you what it is also. It's going to be a 3-month delay sentence on the loudspeaker and dismiss the other 2 charges. I got short here too. This is an amendment, short. This is an amendment for Austin Shorts. Would you like this amendment for Austin Shorts? Yeah, no, it is.
Oh.
Yeah.
Today?
The reason why this mentioned that is because.
Hold on, I need you to speak up. Can you hit mute? I can't hear you.
Yes,
This is my fan. Okay, we're ready on Navanta Edwards. Mr. Edwards, where are you? Into the breakout room?
Maybe from 1 year. He was in the breakout.
Oh, he's still in the breakout room. Let me move. Mr. Attorney Perkins, I'm about to move Mr. Edwards back over.
Okay.
Give him this back. That's all. I'm done with it. I think I'm all set.
Mr. Edwards, are you there? Okay, I sent him a prompt to come back, but he has to follow the prompt to get over. Get back
Let me
over.
see.
And so you were. I see you. I see you. Mr. Smith, you can't. You gotta come in. You gotta-
Oh, I'm trying to text him right now.
Okay.
It's next to right next to the camera button, right where you were. Say join.
Okay, I see him.
Wait, don't say anything.
Mr. Smith, have you spoken to an attorney?
Yeah.
Dwayne Smith?
He's on the phone. I just, he's having a hard time.
Okay, I'm gonna mute you, Mr. Smith, because I'm about to call a case.
No, he's not connected.
Oh, he's not connected?
No, he's not connected to the audio.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna mute him. Okay, Mr. Edwards, I'm about to call your case. Madam Court Reporter, are you back? Are you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, this is ticket number P1363042. People of the City of Detroit versus Devonta Gary Jean Edwards. Count 1, loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet away. Count 2, drove without cycle endorsement, no moped license. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. These matters are scheduled for pretrial conference today. May I have appearances for the record?
Oh, good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court. My name is Todd Russell Perkins, P55623. I'm standing in for the attorney of record, Mr. Nasser, with Mr. Edwards' permission. Mr. Edwards, do I have your permission to stand in for Mr. Nasser for the purposes of this proceeding today?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Attorney Perkins, again, today is the pretrial conference. How are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to not only demonstrate to the government that Mr. Edwards has attained his license. And so I believe in response to that, the government has moved to dismiss 2 of the counts, and he would plead guilty to seeking to have that taken under advisement for the loud noise.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Edwards, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes.
Not you, Ms. Gibson. Good. Hello, have you, Ms. Banks, I'm on the record. I'm gonna mute you for now, okay? Mr. Edwards, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Mr. Edwards, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney today in private about your case and your accompanying rights?
Yes.
And did you hear the plea offer that Attorney Perkins placed on the record?
Yes.
Do you understand that? Do you understand that offer, Mr. Edwards? Are you there? I can't see you anymore.
Yes.
Okay, and it's my understanding that you wish to take advantage of the offer and enter into a guilty plea today. Is that correct?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything beyond the offer placed on the record to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury, and that by entering into this guilty plea today, you are waiving that right?
Yes.
Knowing and understanding that you're waiving your right to a trial by judge or jury, do you wish to continue and enter into a guilty plea today?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Freely, yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Edwards, I want to direct your attention to the date of June 20th, 2022 at approximately 11:03 p.m. in the area of Mobian in the city of Detroit. On the date and time and in the area indicated, Mr. Edwards, were you driving a 2004 Honda?
Yes, a Harley Davidson.
Oh, a Harley Davidson, I'm sorry. Okay, and were you playing loud music from that vehicle more than 10 feet away?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the defense satisfied?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied. The court is going to accept a guilty plea to count one of this ticket under a delayed sentence, under a 3-month delayed sentence. Attorney Perkins, do you also stipulate the probable cause?
I do.
Okay, the court is dismissing counts 2 and 3 in accordance with the plea agreement. Mr. Edwards, the fine for the loud music from the motor vehicle, the court is going to fine you $250. How long do you need? Oh, you know what? This is going to be under a 3-month delayed sentence. So that fine of $250 must be paid by March 8th, 2023.
And does he not have to return, Your Honor? If he pays that, and can he not have to return?
Is my license gonna be straight still?
Yes.
Just 1 second, just 1 second. Okay. Okay, so what we'll do is set this for review on March 8th, 2023 at 8:35, and if he pays it before then, we'll close it out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Edwards,
Thank
do
you
you
so much.
understand?
Yes.
Okay, so you need to pay that $250 fine by March 8th, 2023. If it's paid, we'll close it out. If it's not paid, you'll need to come back to court on that day, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I think that is everything. Is there anything further from you, Attorney Perkins?
No, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Okay, Mr. Edwards, you can pay that fine by going to 36 District Court's website and paying there. You can pay in person down at 36 District Court at our cashier's office. You can pay at the different DivDat kiosks that are located throughout the community. I know there's one at the Coleman A. Young Municipal Center or the City County Building.
Yeah, I go downtown. It's cool.
Okay, okay, all right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this matter.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great weekend.
Thank you, Attorney Perkins. Have a good day. You have
Thank
a
you,
good day,
Perkins.
Mr. Edwards.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Bye-bye. Okay. Is our attorney back? Oh, yeah, there he is. Attorney Gilmore, what are you ready on?
Your Honor, I did email some more documentation to Mr. Morgan for review. We can call Mr. Ellis and Mr. English are both just asking for pretrial dates. They're both on the show cause docket.
Okay, what about, let me call Shorts first, I'm sorry.
I have not received any word from Mr. Mr.
I have it here. I have it here. It's a recommendation for dismissal.
Oh, thank you. All right, perfect.
Austin Shorts, are you there? Oh, I see you. Okay, are you driving, sir? If you're driving, we need to pull over. And you can unmute yourself, okay. I'm sorry, I didn't hear anything you said. What did you say?
I'm pulled over, ma'am.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna call your case now. This
Thank-
is the people of the city of Detroit versus Austin Shorts III, ticket number P 1310582. Count 1, failure to display a valid operator's license not on person, and count 2, failure to signal. This matter is scheduled for pre-trial conference. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Shorts. Mr. Shorts, would you please remove your hat and state your name?
Austin Shorts III.
And Your Honor, there is only one matter on the docket here, so I'm not aware of the other ticket that the court just called, but Mr. Shorts was able to provide valid documentation for the no operator's license ticket. So I would ask the court, or there is a recommendation to dismiss.
Okay, Mr. Shorts, there was also a civil infraction. Did you pay that already?
I paid both tickets. That's why I wasn't understanding. What is the charge without having your license a misdemeanor?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I was just wondering why I had to come to court after I paid both tickets.
Oh, you paid both tickets, huh?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Wait, what'd you say?
Payment wasn't received on count 1.
Our records are showing that there was no payment received on the first count on the misdemeanor. There is payment received on the civil infraction, the failure to signal.
I paid both. Okay.
Okay, so the court is dismissing this matter. Let's see. Attorney Fillmore, do you stipulate the probable cause?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. The court is dismissing this matter on the recommendation of the prosecutor. So, count 1 is dismissed. Count 2, you've already paid. So your matters are, you have handled your matters, Mr. Shorts, and this ticket is dismissed.
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Shorts, if you have documentation or you feel there's been some kind of mistake about what you paid, you can definitely call the cashier's office or bring your receipt down here on that count 1 so that you can be reimbursed because the matter is dismissed. Count 1 is dismissed.
Thank you. I have it. I have the receipt from the online. I paid them online. I screenshotted them both.
Okay.
So I just come down to the 36th district go to the counter.
Yes, go to the counter to the cashier's office.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
Mr. Fillmore, as well.
No, you're welcome, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, anytime do you like to watch the meeting?
Yes, please. All right, I also have another recommendation to dismiss on George C. Horn, Mr. Fillmore. I don't know if you got that one.
I did get that one. Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. C. Horn, can you please turn on your camera?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
This is ticket number P 1289179. People of the city of Detroit versus George Edward C. Horn, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. This trial today. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Seahorn. Sir, would you please say your name?
George Seahorn.
And Your Honor, I believe there is a recommendation to dismiss.
Okay, the court, no. Let me see, I just want to be sure. Yes, this matter was scheduled for bench trial at 8:35 a.m. this morning. The complaining officer, L. Jones, is not present in this Zoom session, nor has that officer checked in to let us know of his or her whereabouts. This matter, the court will also note that the prosecution has recommended a dismissal without prejudice with the stipulation to probable cause, but because of the officer's failure to appear, we don't need to stipulate probable cause. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. Thank you for your patience, Mr. Seymour.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Court also knows that it's 11:29 and the officer has not appeared, and that is why the ticket is being dismissed.
Thank you.
Okay, that concludes the matter. What else? do we have?
Your Honor, Mr. Short,
Mr. Short.
I mean Smith,
Mr.
Dwayne Smith, he hasn't been checked in and he hasn't talked to the attorney, just.
Okay, Attorney Fillmore, just to let you know, Dwayne Smith is present. I think he's been having audio issues all day. It looks like his audio is connected today, right now, but he has not spoken to you yet. I just want to put him on your radar.
Thank you, Your Honor. Should we put him I'll put him in a breakout room and I can speak with him when we have another break.
Okay, that's fine.
Mr. Fillmore, he does not know how to operate the Zoom. It was very difficult to get him to connect to the audio. I don't know if he can go into the breakout room and unpress his audio.
Should I just leave him where he is?
Maybe you should leave him here for now.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, all right, so I'm seeing Pakia Ellis, Stephanie Bankston, Clifton English, and Anisha Simpson and Freddie Sanchez. Are we ready on all of these?
Mr. Ellis and Mr. English are asking for pretrial dates. The rest of the people all have documentation that I forwarded to Mr. Morgan.
Oh my goodness.
Actually, I'm sorry, and Miss Solomon is asking for a bench trial.
Okay, so Ellis, English, and Solomon, I need to follow.
When you say,
Yeah.
okay, that's my
Ellis,
phone.
English, and Simpson, did you say Simpson?
Solomon.
Solomon, where's Solomon? Oh, I see it. Okay.
Did I give you, I didn't give you a file for Solomon.
No.
What about did I just give
You just gave me Ellis and English.
Did you say something too?
We're not ready for Simpson yet, right, Attorney Fillmore?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. She, Anisha Simpson, she does have all of her documentation and she did send it to Mr. Morgan.
Have you seen this documentation?
I did not see Miss Simpson's. The other, let's see. I know I saw, who else did I see? I have Mr. Let's see, who's texted me? I did see some of them. Let's see, who is this? I have Miss Bankston's insurance right here. And then I also have, who is this? This is Mr. Sanchez. I have Mr. Sanchez's insurance as well.
Okay, well, we'll wait on the prosecutor's email for a little while longer.
Okay, sounds good, Your Honor.
Moving these, I want to move this docket. Okay, so let's see. Clifton English, can you turn on your camera, please, and unmute yourself? Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Okay. Oh, this is a show cause. Okay. This is ticket number P1310414. People of the City of Detroit versus Clifton English Jr. Count 1, driving with revoked license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. This matter is scheduled for a show cause hearing today. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. English. Sir, would you please say your name?
Hello?
Mr. Yes,
Yes.
say your name, please.
Clifton English Jr.
And Your Honor, Mr. English is asking for a pretrial date. Excuse me.
Okay, Mr. English, the court is going to, Attorney Fillmore, do you waive formal reading?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Yes, as to arraignment, we waive the formal reading, stand mute.
Okay, thank you. The court is going to issue a not guilty plea on your behalf, Mr. English, and schedule this matter for pretrial on January 6th, 2023 at 8:35 in the morning.
That's January 5th.
6th.
Okay.
Okay.
At what time? What time is it?
8:35 a.m.
Okay.
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 That's January 6th, 2023, 8:35 a.m. You return to court the same way you attended today by logging into Zoom for courtroom 333.
Okay,
Okay, we will.
okay,
see
thank you.
January 6th. Thank you for your patience. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day also. Thank you.
All right. That concludes this matter. Patia Ellis.
Yes.
Good. We're going to call your case. Okay, this is ticket number P1316904. People of the City of Detroit versus Pakia Romello Ellis. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 2, driving while license suspended, repeat offender. This matter is scheduled for a show cause hearing. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Ellis. Sir, please say your name.
I, Ellis.
And Your Honor, as to the arraignment, if he has not been arraigned, we would waive the formal reading of the charges and stand mute.
Thank you. I cannot tell by this docket whether he's been arraigned or not, but the court is going to enter or continue a not guilty plea on behalf of your client and schedule this matter for pretrial. You're asking for a pretrial, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Ellis, this matter is going to be scheduled for pretrial on January 6th, 2023 at 8:35 a.m. You come back to court on January 6th, 2023 at 8:35. You attend the same way that you attended today by logging into our Zoom session for courtroom 333.
Okay.
Okay, your not guilty plea is continued until that time. We will see you back here on January 6th, 2023 at 8:35 in the morning.
All right. Have a nice one.
Okay, you too. Thank you for your patience. Have a good day. That concludes this matter. And then we have Onika Solomon, correct? Ms. Solomon, are you there?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
Good morning to you. Let me find your case. Okay, this is ticket number P1278033. People of the City of Detroit versus Onika Lucia Johnson Solomon. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. These matters are scheduled for pretrial today. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Solomon. Ma'am, would you please say your name?
Onika Lucia Johnson Solomon.
And Your Honor, Ms. Solomon is asking for a bench trial.
Okay, Ms. Solomon, can you please raise your right hand? Let us know when you do.
Yes, my hand is raised.
Thank you. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Ms. Solomon, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fillmore today in private about your case and about your accompanying rights?
Yes.
And do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury on the matters that are before the court today?
Yes.
Your attorney has indicated that you wish to set this matter for bench trial. Is that correct?
Yes.
Do you understand that a bench trial is a trial where the judge is the decider of fact?
Yes.
So that means basically it will be the judge making the determination of your guilt or innocence. Do you understand that? As opposed to a jury. You understand?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And is that how you wish to proceed today?
Yes.
Okay, knowing that you will be waiving your right to a jury trial, do you understand that as well?
Yes.
Okay, is anyone threatening you, forcing you, or promising you anything to get you to waive your right to a jury trial and proceed with a bench trial?
No.
Okay, this matter is going to be set for bench trial on January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 in the morning. Ms. Solomon, you come back to court on that day the same way you attended today by logging into Zoom. our courtroom Zoom session for courtroom 333. Do you have the date?
I have it correct. Yes, January the 6th at 8:30 a.m.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, your not guilty plea will be continued until that time. We'll see you back here on January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 in the morning.
Thank you guys so much. Blessings upon all of you.
Thank you so much. Same to you. Have a good day. That concludes this matter. Okay, so everybody else, oh, what is Ms. Bankston also waiting on something from the prosecutor?
Yes, and that Miss Bankston is one of the ones that she sent it to me and I sent it to Mr. Morgan, but yes, she does have, I'm looking at her insurance. It expires in 2023.
Okay, and was it valid on the date of the incident?
Well,
you
that
know
I'm
what?
not sure.
Don't answer that. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Smith, because it looks like everyone else in this session, we're waiting on a response from Attorney Morgan, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sandsky, Bankston, and Fillmore. Oh no, that's you. You're Fillmore.
That's me.
Do we have a Christopher Edwards today?
I didn't see a Christopher Edwards at all. Okay, so you want to take this? Oh, here comes Attorney Morgan now. He's coming into the courtroom. Hello, Attorney Morgan.
Hello.
Did you happen to see the documentation from Stephanie Bankston, Anisha Simpson, and Freddie Sanchez? Okay, Attorney Fillmore, you can go and speak to Mr. Smith now. Mr. Smith.
Let me see. I'll try and put him in a breakout room and speak with him.
Okay, Mr. Smith, I'm gonna prompt you to unmute yourself. That's the only one I have.
I don't have.
I just asked you to unmute. Hit that button, please.
Mr. Fillmore, I don't have any documents in my inbox.
I
don't have anything recently. These
From
are all
me?
the people from you or from anyone else. These are all the people that came in after when Madam Clerk just admitted people, right?
Right.
Yeah, I don't have any documents in the inbox.
All right, let me.
Was like Austin Short.
MORG.
Yes, he's doing it.
That was MORGS.
Oh, that's why. Why is this popping up? I have it saved wrong too. SMORGS. Yeah. Okay.
So the people, let me write the people down. Just you said, what are the names of the people you want me to look at?
Stephanie Bankston and Freddie Sanchez. There we go. S. Morris.
Freddie Sanchez. I thought it was a third one.
Oh yeah, Anisha Simpson. Maybe I might have given her the wrong email address then if you don't have anything from her.
I don't have anything for any of them.
No, she's shaking her head. All right, Miss Simpson, I'm sorry. I think I gave you the email address incorrectly. It's SMORGS, not just SMORG.
No, there's no S in the front. It's MORGS at DetroitMI.gov. Let's try it again. MORGS. Maybe I can get that changed. I think I can get that changed to something more simple.
You said MORGS.
Yes, at Detroit, DETROITMI.gov.
Thank you. I'm about to send it now.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Simpson. Ms. Bankston, did you get that email or did you need it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you got the email? Did you get it?
Yes, MORG, hey, what is it? S,
morgs@detroitmi.gov.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna mute you again. Mr.
Oh, I
Smith.
actually just sent Miss Bankston's
Oh, okay. You don't need to send it in, Ms. Bankston.
and Mr. Sanchez's to the correct email address.
Mr. Sanchez, you don't need to send yours either. Mr. Smith, I have asked you to unmute your device again. Okay. I keep sending you prompts. Do you see the button? I just hit it again. There should be something come across your screen that says unmute. You're still muted. There
Okay,
you
I'm
are.
muted.
There you are. Okay. Don't mute yourself. Okay. I'm gonna put you in a
Okay.
breakout room with Attorney Fillmore. There's gonna be a
Okay.
prompt. It's gonna come across the screen. It's gonna say, let me see, I'm about to move you. When you see the prompt, click the prompt. And I'm gonna put you in room 4. Follow the
Okay.
prompt. Just hit it.
It say join now or not now?
Yes, join now. Okay, he's in room 4, Attorney Fillmore. I think.
Okay, I'm just gonna make sure I have an offer. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay, perfect.
Mr. Fillmore, did you have an offer from Miss Anisha Simpson already?
Yeah, she actually has all of her documentation. I think I gave her the incorrect email address, but I think she's sending it to you. She should be sending it right now. She had everything. And did you receive the other emails from Miss Bankston and Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, I have them from you.
Okay.
So I'm gonna need an SOS on Miss Simpson. I mean, apparently you're saying she has now gotten herself a valid license.
I sent them. I sent everything.
Okay, I'm gonna go speak with Mr. Smith.
Okay, thank you, Attorney Fillmore.
Wait a minute, 7-11. Hold on one second. It's okay, don't even worry about it. Oh, okay. So, update offer on this, ready on Simpson.
This is a note.
Oh.
Thank you. Sorry
I
about
wasn't
that.
sure. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. That was my fault. Thank you.
That's Anisha Simpson.
I didn't hear the last part.
That's Anisha Simpson.
Okay.
All right.
All of these tickets are good.
Bring Mr. Smith back out.
4. I think she had 4 on the back. Let me double check.
Okay, we're gonna do Alicia Simpson next. Okay, I see the form. That's fine. Let me just finish up this. document. Okay. This is ticket number P13654448. People of the city of Detroit versus Anisha Nicola Simpson, count 1, driver's license expired. Also calling ticket number P136544. People of the city of Detroit versus Anisha. Expired plate, count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration, count 3, no proof of insurance. These matters are scheduled for pretrial today. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Simpson, ma'am. Would you please say your name?
Anisha Simpson.
And Your Honor, Ms. Simpson has provided valid documentation for all of these tickets today, and I believe there's a recommendation to dismiss.
Thank you. This court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice based on valid documentation. Anisha Simpson, you are free to go. Your matters are dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your patience. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
I'm in our way with that. Here's the other piece.
That's the same. Okay, thanks.
There's an ROA under there.
Oh, okay.
I don't know where the file is.
Bankston, I'm about to call your case. This is people of the city of Detroit versus Stephanie Inez Bankston, case number SP 1290293. Count one, no proof of insurance. This matter is scheduled for show cause hearing today. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Bankston. Ma'am, would you please unmute your device and say your name?
Yes, Stephanie Inez Bankston.
And Your Honor, Ms. Bankston has provided valid documentation today, and I believe there's a recommendation to dismiss.
Thank you. There is a recommendation to dismiss. This court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice for valid documentation. Thank you, Ms. Bankston, for your patience. Your matter is dismissed. You have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have a question, but I'm gonna get papers for my thing to be dismissed because they have me to pay. They have me on some payment type thing for this same case.
I didn't understand. What was the first part? What's the question?
What they're gonna send me some papers to show that this is dismissed, that I can take to the collection center or something?
The collections, 36th District Court Collections Department will see that it's closed out. But you can also go onto the website and pull up the ticket and it'll show that it's been dismissed.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it, and happy holidays to everyone.
Thank you. Happy holidays to you as well.
Thank you.
That concludes this matter.
I think I'm set.
I'm going to remove you, Ms. Bankston. You can go.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Are we ready on Mr. Smith?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, Mr. Smith. I'm about to call you. Okay, this is the people of the city of Detroit versus Dwayne Franklin Smith and ticket numbers P 1254618. Count one, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count two, disregarding signal, red or amber. Also ticket number P 1282320. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper license, and count two, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have appearances for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Wayne Smith. Sir, would you please say your name?
Dwayne Franklin Smith.
And Your Honor, Mr. Smith is asking for a bench trial.
Okay, I did call a civil infraction, which was count two on ticket ending in 618. Mr. Smith, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can lower your hand. Did you pay the civil infraction, Mr. Smith?
No,
No? Okay.
no.
Give me 1 second, please.
Is it SB 125?
Oh, okay. Scratch that. Mr. Smith, have you had an opportunity to speak to Attorney Fillmore in private about your case and your accompanying rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that you have a right to a trial by judge or jury on the matters before the court?
Yes, ma'am.
Your attorney has indicated that you wish to set this matter for a bench trial. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that a bench trial is a trial where the judge is the decider of fact and is the decider of your innocence or guilt, as opposed to a jury?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that in order to have a bench trial, you would be waiving your right to a jury trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that how you wish to proceed, by waiving your right to a jury trial and setting this matter for bench trial?
Yes.
Is anyone threatening you, promising you anything, or forcing you to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
This matter is scheduled for bench trial on January 6th, 2023 at 8:30 in the morning. 8:30 a.m. Mr. Smith, you appear in court that day the same way you came today by logging into the Zoom session for courtroom 333.
Okay.
Okay? Do you want the Zoom?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want the Zoom ID? Did you have any
Yes.
problems logging in today?
No.
Okay, it was just your audio.
Right.
Okay, I want to take your, do you have an ink pen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you write this down? This is the Zoom ID in case you have problems on January 6th.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, it's 360
360
333
333
0000.
0000.
Right, and that's the Zoom ID for this courtroom. So hopefully you won't have any problems on January 6th, but we hope to see you back on that day.
Okay.
Well, not really hope, but you definitely need to be present on that day at 8:30 a.m., okay?
I will be. Okay.
Okay, you're not guilty plea, it's continued until that time.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for your patience. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you very much.
All right,
Right.
that concludes this matter. Mr. Sanchez, are we ready on that one, Attorney Gilmore?
Yes, there should be a recommendation to dismiss on that as well, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Sanchez, can you please turn on your camera?
I try, but I have a problem in my device.
Okay, I just sent you a prompt. Do you see it?
Can you send again, please?
I just sent it. Do you see it coming across the screen?
Yes, I put it, but the device say I don't have access.
Okay. All right, I'm just gonna call it. This is People of the City of Detroit versus Freddie Edgar Sanchez. Case number 2274409 count 1, no insurance, misdemeanor. May I have, oh, I'm sorry, this matter is scheduled for a show cause. May I have appearances for the record?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Sanchez. Sir, would you please say your name?
Yes, Freddie Edgar Sanchez.
And Your Honor, Mr. Sanchez has provided valid documentation this morning, and I believe there's a recommendation to dismiss.
Okay, the court is in receipt of a recommendation from the people of the City of Detroit to dismiss this matter with the stipulation to probable cause.
So stipulated.
Thank you. This matter is dismissed without prejudice based on the prosecutor's recommendation. Mr. Sanchez, your ticket has been dismissed. You are free to go.
Thank you so much. Thank you, miss.
Thank you very much, and thank you for your patience today.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Is that it, Attorney Fillmore?
I think that's it, Your Honor.
Oh, what do we do? Kenyatta Spivey?
Oh, wait, Kenyatta Spivey, did we, I think I remember calling that.
Oh, yeah, you did. Your
I
Honor.
did
I
call
have
that.
it. Okay.
Yeah, I believe we asked for a, oh no, that was a no police officer, right? Trial?
How did you get the file? I could've sworn I called.
Maybe it's a duplicate. That's probably because it's a lot.
Oh, yes, we called that.
Yeah, we called it. It was a dismissal for sure because.
Yes.
It was only the officer who showed up today.
I think he was the one that was complaining about his dismissal.